Good day, everyone. I am Prince Samoya.
I am Stephanie Samusino.
And I'm Bobby Ortiz.
And we're going to discuss the Chapter 21, the Baldrige Framework of Performance Excellence.
The Baldrige Framework Performance Excellence systematic tool for organizational improvement designed to enhance performance, competitiveness, and sustainability across various sectors. It consists of the criteria for performance excellence and the core values and concepts and scoring guidelines for assessment. Criteria for performance excellence are designed to encourage companies to enhance their competitiveness through an aligned approach to organizational performance management. Baldrige criteria help organizations assess their overall performance by evaluating how well they achieve goals, how effective and mature their processes are, the quality of their results, and how well they support continuous learning and improvement. The criteria for consistence of seven categories. First, leadership. Focus on how leaders set visions, value, ensure ethical behavior, and maintain good governance and accountability. The ability to influence, inspire, and guide individuals or teams toward a shared vision or goal rather than relying on authority or titles. It is a social process aimed at achieving results through collaboration, fostering alignment, and maximizing team effort. Number two, strategy. Examines how the organizational plans and implements strategies to achieve its goals, including innovation and resource allocation. 3. Customers. Looks at how organization listens to customers, measures satisfactions, builds relationship, and manage complaints to improve loyalty and engagement. Number 4, measurement, analysis, and knowledge management involves using data and information to measure performance, support decision making, and ensure proper management of knowledge and technology. Number 5, workforce focuses on building a capable and engaged workforce through proper hiring, training, support, and performance management. Number 6, operations examines how processes are designed, managed, and improved to deliver quality service efficiently, including cost control and safety. Number 7. Results measures all overall organizational performance, including customer satisfactions, workforce outcomes, operations, and financial results.
Criteria evolution generally refers to the continuous updating and improvement of evaluation or diagnostic criteria over time to adapt the changes in acknowledged practice and external environments. So, criteria evolution has undergone continuous evolution since its launch in 1988, adapting changes in organizational management needs and the business environment. So, here are some specific examples of its criteria evolutions. So, in 1988, the initial framework includes five categories, which is leadership, strategy, quality planning, information management, human resource, and process management. There was no separate categories for result, and the focus was mainly on quality management process. Bullrage Award process. The Bullrage Award evolution and selection process is rigorous and designed to be objective and immune to political pressures. In the first stage, each application is thoroughly reviewed by approximately seven examiners chosen from among leading professionals in business, education, healthcare, and nonprofit, all of whom are volunteers. So, the Bold Rage Award process is designed to rigorously evaluate organization against criteria focus and resilience and long-term success, with key phases including application, evaluation, site visit, and final selection. Using the Baldrige criteria. The Baldrige Award criteria forms a model for business excellence in any organization manufacturing, service, healthcare, education, or not for profit. large or small, public or private. For example, although the legal professions in general has not adopted quality management practice, the Trial Division of Nationwide Insurance, which operates 56 law offices in 20 states, uses the Baldrige model as a key component of its business plan. So using the Baldrige criteria for performance excellence are a set of globally recognized standards designed to help organizations assist and improve their overall performance. Impact of Baldrige Program. The Baldrige Program has improved performance thousands of organizations across sectors, driven data-informed and customers-focused practice, fostered best practice sharing, and raised global management standard while contributing to economic growth. So, impact of Baldrige program delivers broad, measurable values. It equips organizations with based framework to enhance leadership, align strategies, improve operations, and boost results in areas like customer satisfaction, workforce engagement, and financial performance. Baldrige and Deming Philosophy. The Baldrige Program is a U.S. organizational excellence and initial with a comprehensive assessment framework. The Deming philosophy focuses on continuous improvement, statistical control, and reducing variation. Both emphasize data-driven decision, customers focus, and systematic progress. Baldrige is a tool, Deming as a foundational principles. The Baldrige framework is a comprehensive performance management system focused on organizational excellence through a structured, system-based approach linking leadership, strategy, customers' workforce, operations, and data to driven measurable results and long-term success, with a focus on alignment and integration across all areas. International Quality and Performance Excellence Program. International Quality and Performance Excellence Program are a structured initiative that establish global standard, framework, and assessment processes to help organizations across sectors systematically improve their operations, products and services, customer satisfaction, and overall performance, often through certification or recognition system. So, the International Quality and Performance Excellence Program are global initiatives that provides standard frameworks, assessment criteria, and recognition to help organizations across countries improve performance, ensure quality, and driven sustainable success. European Quality Award. The European Quality Award, or EQA, also called the EFQM Excellence Award, is Europe's most prestigious recognition for organizational excellence, based on the EFQM model frameworks that assess performance across leadership, strategy, people, process, and result to drive continuous improvement and sustainable success. So the European Quality Award is now part of the EFQM Excellence Award, is Europe's top recognition for organizational performance excellence, administered by the European Foundation for Quality Management, or EFQM. Canadian Award for Business Excellence. The Canadian Award for Business Excellence are national honor that recognize organizations across Canada for outstanding achievement in areas like innovation, customer service, workplace culture, sustainability, and overall performance, promoting best practice and excellence in the business community. The Canada Awards for Excellence, established in 1984 and administered by Excellence Canada, is the national quality award. It initially focused on for-profit firms but now covers government agencies and non-profit with categories like quality, health workplace, and innovation, using self-assessment and site visits for evaluation. Australian Business Excellence Award. The Australian Business Excellence Award, our national recognition program based on the Australia Business Excellence Framework, honoring organizations that demonstrate exceptional performance in leadership, strategy, customer focus, people management, processes, and sustainable results to drive continuous improvement and industry best practices. The Australian Business Excellence Award, or ABEA, administered by Business Excellence Australia, are the nation's primary recognition for organizational performance excellence.
So this is my topic. First is Quality Awards in China. In 2001, the China Association for Quality, or CAQ, introduced the National Quality Award, which it recently renamed the Performance Excellence Award. So the National Quality Awards in China, now called the Performance Excellence Award, so in the country's highest honor for organization project and individuals that demonstrate outstanding quality management and achieve significant economic and social benefit. So it is comparable to global awards like the Malcolm Bridge Award in USA. So for example, imagine a Chinese car manufacturer that implements strict quality control in production, innovates with eco-friendly technology, and achieve high customer satisfaction and strong sales, and contributes positively to society. So such a company called win the organization award under the Performance Excellence Award program. So, the Performance Excellence Award is China way of encouraging companies, projects, and individuals to pursue world-class quality standard. Second is Brand Smith Printing Division's Baldrige Journey. This quality in practice feature provides some good insights into the nature of feedback that Baldrige examiners provide as part of the formal award assessment process. So, Brand Smith Printing Division, a small family-owned printing company in Texas, won the Malcolm Bridge National Quality Award in 2002 by transforming its operation through quality management practices. Their journey shows how examiner feedback helped them continuously improves. So for example, think of a brand Smith like a small bakery that wants to compete with bigger chain. So first, they start tracking customers' feedback, improve recipes, train staff better, and reduce waste. And an external award program reviews their bakery, gives feedback, and shows where they can improve. By the following in this advice, so the bakery grows sales, gain loyal customers, and eventually wins a national award excellence. So ang Brand Smith Baldrige journey shows that quality awards aren't just trophies, they are tools for learning and improvements. The feedback process is what help organization, even small one, achieve excellence and long-term success. So third is Baldrige and national culture. It is interesting to observe that although many countries substantially adopt the Baldrige criteria, some of them such as the European Quality Award framework of the Chinese National Quality Awards criteria, use component of the Baldrige criteria but customize them to reflect their unique business environment. So the Baldrige criteria provides a global framework for organizational excellence, but countries adapt them to fit their own national culture and business environment. So for example, Europe and China use Baldrige inspired models but modified them to reflect local values, tradition, and management style. So for example, and imagine the leadership category in Baldrige. So in the US, leadership is judged by how well executive drive innovation and results. So in the Europe, leadership is also judged by how leaders balance profit with social responsibility. So in the China, leadership is judged by how well leaders align with government goals and maintain harmony in the workplace. So, the Baldrige criteria act like a blueprint for excellence, but each country adjusts the blueprint to match its cultural values. So, this ensures that frameworks is relevant and effective in different parts of the world. And the last is Baldrige ISO 9000 and Six Sigma. Introduce ISO 9000 and Six Sigma, both of which are frameworks for quality management. A natural question that is often asked is how ISO 9000 Six Sigma and Baldrige compare with one another. So, Baldrige ISO 9000 and Six Sigma are all quality management framework, but they serve different purposes. So, Baldrige is a broad excellence model, and ISO 9000 or standard or internet or set of international standard 9000 is a certification standard, and The Six Sigma is a problem solving methodology. And that's all, and thank you.